good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video we're gonna practice shooting AR-15. Hey, what's up? Today's video is kind of different. We're gonna practice shooting.
So I'm gonna have you pick up the firearm, make sure your finger's not on the trigger, safety's on. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip the gun so you can see it facing up, and you're gonna pull this back to make sure there's nothing in the chamber. Nothing? Oh, there's still some more. So that one jammed. Okay, so go ahead and let go. Okay, so let me just pick up that bullet so we could just figure out what happened to that one. Yeah, see? If you look in here, there's a firing hit on there, so it missed. It might not work again, but just set it there later.
Load it up.
I'm just gonna take this clip off. If it's not, it's the bullet.
This clip isn't like an industry clip, huh?
No.
See how it's aimed down a little bit? That has to do with the clip. Take the clip out real quick. Click the button.
And press this right here.
So okay, it's safe.
Everything is good. You're good to go. So you're gonna push that button right there. Okay. Yeah, good. And I'll take that.
How should I hold this like comfortably? This is too big.
So, because I made it big. Okay. Go ahead and hand me that.
Magazine's out.
Okay, this is for you.
Should I carry it this way? Can I put it here?
That's fine. Okay. Go ahead.
Is
and
this
make
the
sure.
right position?
Yep, that's the right way. Slam it. Okay, now we're good to go. Now you gotta cock it back.
Fucking heavy as hell.
Okay, you're live. Now wait for me because you're still in safety. I'm gonna put my hearing on and we are fucking up Ku Klux Klan.
Fire.
Is it recording, Billy? Ku Klux?
Now it is.
Ku Klux Klan?
Recording.
Okay. Ready, babe? Go ahead.
For fire.
Good. All right. Safety off. Safety off.
Safety off.
Headshots.
You got him right in the head again, dude. Leave him alone. Leave him alone, Les. There we go.
Go ahead.
That was another one.
Some good fire. Pop, pop, pop. Try to get it.
Try to hit it 3 times. Exactly the same spot. Leave him alone, Les.
No more. Safe.
You like it?
Cool, cool, cool. Let's see what I've got.
Wow.
This is
Oh,
old,
that was there.
so this is new.
You did the heads, right?
I
Oh,
got
you.
heads. Oh Lord.
I had one headshot in there, so that's a lot of you.
It's cool. We have before and after picture, so we'll know.
Okay.
Good job. Safe. Little magazine.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Click. Should I pull it first?
Yep. All right.
Okay. Oh! Okay.
Done.
Safety.
Three. 4. 5.
'Push it forward. Pull it. Push it. There. You're good.
Okay. Fire.
Try to get that orange corner.
Drop him a little faster, Les. It's an intense situation right now. There you go. 3 more. A little faster. Stay accurate. Stay on the target. There you go. There you go, Les.
Getting it?
Feels like 30 shots a second, dude. A little high. Look like it hit. Look like it hit. Little high maybe. Look like it hit. Hit.
The walkout motion. So these were my centered, dialed in shots, cluster, bottom corner, cluster. But this is not what we're gonna go see. Okay, so this nice little spread. Got some blue. Definitely hits. Just not dialed in so far. All right, that's it.
All right, let's see how we did.
Wait, if you put it, just be very clear you found it there.
All right, so I did this, some of them, but I don't know which one I got. But we hit this alien thing pretty good. Now let's see the other target. They shooting that far, but I didn't try. So I did this. I'm pretty proud. Some shots over here, and then this is my last round on this red. I didn't get the shot, but it's pretty gross. That's cool. All right, it's done. It's a pretty fun weekend. So we're done shooting for today. That's my first time to try the AR-15, and it was scary the first time, but it's actually like not that bad, and it's very simple, and it's a very soft big gun, and we just had some fun and some good couple of rounds, and the guys are packing up and we're about to leave, and it's pizza time. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.